What's good, YouTube?
Today back with another video here. Reaction to the DDG well off. You know what up today. So stay tuned. Interesting video. Lit video. Very lit
Let's
video.
get into it.
Alright, so let's get into the video. We're gonna be screen recording off with phone, or they're gonna be seeing it right there. So let's get into the video, right?
Let's get it. Let's get
Into the video, Babs.
You're on the top there now? Any problems there, yo?
Nah.
But I get them a disclaimer one time.
Alright guys, so the video running there right now.
Yo, let's see the startup. So far you looking tough. Different instrumental.
Yeah, the instrumental. Yeah. You done lit already. So yeah, you done lit. And why would I want my favorite YouTuber to you lit?
Spare off.
But he spared off. Cause these niggas know I'm well off. Yo, the dog say, young ass nigga, but he move like he's the oldest. The man talking straight facts, the man.
You could relate to it at the end of the day too.
Straight facts, the man spitting on it.
Yeah, straight facts. We don't be on them kids play. Female, male, life, we not on that kids play. Come straight and down, you understand? Reality.
If you watch GDG, you dig? The man act like an old nigga. Man bought the old mansion at the age 21, I believe.
Yeah, about that 19, he had his
everything he's driving, but let me get back into the video. Yo, you say? Nigga, this a moment. You never know this.
Gotta keep on sharing.
YouTube comment, so we create this be movement to shine away.
Well, there's 500 subscribers. All the fix that man, I telling no kids play. 500 is none to we all reach that now. Giveaways, all that, and a bag of chips. Let's go.
Oh! Everybody say he got all the girls, he's a magnet. Only watch my story time video and only hear what I say before the song even come out, boy. Only listen what I say. You know, the man can relate to we. That's why that man is my favorite YouTuber.
We had to do this reaction. You understand? Secular or not, we had to drop the reaction.
This man,
you understand? He can't give you a little motivation to start it up.
This video hot, boy, dog, boy.
Yeah.
You think? But let me get back into it.
Let's go.
You think?
You
think? Y'all fellas hating on me right now and we even make it yet.
Nothing yet, But don't worry, that's why we doing it on my own. It's just true. Thing. Yes. If you ask if I shout out on one, better him, but if you do it here, don't bother. You understand? We don't be on that. We doing it on my own, boy. That's
come up.
Straight up. We're grown folks, you dig?
Yes.
Grown jets, you dig? So, you understand? We ain't grown jets because Jet is a kid, but you dig what I'm saying? You understand? But we not into that.
Alright, let me go back. You posted plenty of the video.
Yeah, because the man talking to me now.
Yes.
So we talking to all one time now.
Yes.
Let me run it now.
What it's saying, but it is what you make it. I'm just really focused on the green where they're laying. Brody Robbins and he just wanna take the
hedge off.
He just seen a up.
But the store, but he spared off.
Gotta keep it on me.
Cause these niggas know.
Well off.
Alone and afraid in LA, it's a mess now. She wanna follow her dreams and be great, but she's stressed out. Shorty posting pictures on her gram.
I look at this female here, but got a female in our way.
He's smooth with it.
He do it thing.
He's smooth with it.
That wasn't. It wasn't to be so big, you know. You see, it's just a little small little clip he gave with she, you know. But it's like she be watching she the whole video now, boy.
Yes.
You understand? She. That way you call smooth. I mean, hear your keys now.
Smooth.
Okay.
That was 19, you dig? When he bought the first Beamer earlier, he was 19, you dig?
Yeah,
so young rich nigga. He on the grind from a long time earlier, you dig?
2021 go spare life. You see how 2020 going right now?
Rough, yeah.
Real rough right now. Oh no, we could have related to the vehicles, but you know that's how the thing go. You understand? Thank God for life still. That's the main thing. Stay grateful now, way. Run it.
I charge 20, but I charge 19. Spit a 16 for a Rolex. some Nikes. They was trying to doubt a nigga. Fuck you, bitch, I'm cloudy, nigga. Wrote this in an hour, nigga. CEO and power, nigga. Stacking up my chicken and the drip is sweet and sour, nigga. If I slide
good. Pause. You see, I that food man. He's not food man. He would not catch on to what he say. You understand? He talk about chicken. And then he said he drip sweet and sour. If you know about Chinese food, if you know about good food, sweet and sour chicken is a serious thing, you know. I couldn't let that one slide. I had to get what they did a little in depth on that way. Run it.
Fuck you, bitch, I'm cloudy, nigga. Wrote this in an hour, nigga. CEO and power, nigga. Stacking up my chicken and the drip is sweet and sour, nigga. DMs today, I'll hit tomorrow.
What do you say? What you don't say? You dig? If you slide she DMs today, by tomorrow she home my way. You dig? So
you understand Netflix and chill?
All they know is the vibes.
PG, 13.
You
understand the card that's put out there? You understand?
We don't talk.
If it happen, it happen. But if it does happen, it's just something that happen that way. Dig, let's get it.
Bottoms down, call her over, fuck around, fall in love, let her down, leave her in a lost and found.
Pause. Pause. If you don't do it for spite, I don't do it on the whole. I just a working fella. I know. If I have a girl all the time, I have a girl. You understand? We don't fall in love to pull it down. You understand? It's hard to trust certain females at the end of the day that way. Agendas and different kind of things. You dig? Run it now, I want to give a little too much. You understand?
Up by the store, but he sped off. Cause these niggas know I'm well off. We go run it back without all them pauses on it. Tell me what you think about this video. Listen, eh? Listen, we run it back without all them pauses.
Yeah, son.
Just so that you hear the whole tune that way. You think why revive it?
Listen to him and then go and listen to him to see me that way.
Yes.
Yeah, son. You heard it here first.
Plus he has some hard tunes too.
Up by the store, but he sped off.
Cause these niggas know I'm
well off.
No, well.
Young ass nigga, but I move like I'm the oldest. I was grinding hard, but them bitches never noticed. Nigga, this our moment. We ain't never folded. I brought up a run and it ain't empty, that bitch loaded. Can't live my life, I got obsession with the static. Nigga have it. Come from Nora Cassie. Bag or a basket. I got all the bitches on my mama, I'm a magnet. Loving in LA, I cannot do it, they be faking. Niggas acting like they really friends and they be hating. Hollywood is saying, but it is what you make it. I'm just really focused on the green, what they're laying. He just wanna take the
edge off.
He hit it, but the store, but he straight off.
Gotta keep it on me,
Cause these niggas know I'm well off.
Alone and afraid in LA, it's a mess now. She wanna follow dreams and be great, but she stressed out. Shorty posting pictures on her gram with her chest out. Started only fast, swipe up to check the rest out. 2025, nigga, take me back to 19. When I bought that brand new Beamer, I was 19. Usually I charge 20, but I charge
19?
Spent a 16 for a Rolex and some Nikes. They was trying to doubt a nigga. Fuck you, bitch, I'm cloudy, nigga. Wrote this in an hour, nigga. CEO and power, nigga. Stacking up my chicken and the drip is sweat.
See that straight hit boy over, straight hit.
They can't talk in this part, they say, boy. Any of the people want to listen to music, or?
Fuck you, bitch, I'm cloudy, nigga. Wrote this in an hour, nigga. CEO and power, nigga. Stacking up my chicken and the drip is sweet and sour, nigga. If I slide at her DMs today, I'll hit tomorrow, nigga.
Quick stuff.
Fall in love, let her down, leave her in a lost and found. I'm a dog, yeah, I know. I can never love her. Blame my ex, she would know. But I bet the dick was dope.
Call my ex, she would know. It is.
Go crazy, go crazy. Well off.
Alright, well, let's go and smash the like button now. So only watching all the video, do the same.
Let them know we send all the for the drop in the comments. Let's type underneath FMB Entertainment.
For the see that red button on the screen, they will say subscribe. Make sure and press it so boops. And press that. All. You dig?
You understand?
Do that yet? Make sure and do that in the video.
Yeah.
Right, you don't know.
Facts. Right?
So that was the end of the video, guys.
I know what end it.
Cool little reaction, you know. DDG, you come with straight hit.
Straight hit.
No capping any man, son.
Yeah, son.
Straight hit. They saying he's a YouTube rapper, but all I know, the man is a rapper.
The man do anything full 100% rapper, you understand? And at that same with the scream at the start. all they hear my disclaimer, but the end of the day, is how the man do anything, and not what we doing, but how we do anything now, but the mindset behind doing anything is what I really supporting now. But the disclaimer at the start is what I really had to study, because put them two together and you will get success now. You dig? Boom!